Before we dive into the wonders of Venus, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest space explorations. In the vast expanse of our solar system, there's a planet that shines so brightly in our night sky that it's often mistaken for a star. This dazzling object is none other than Venus, often referred to as the evening star or the morning star due to its brilliant visibility during dawn and dusk. This celestial beacon is Venus, our closest planetary neighbor. Despite its proximity, Venus remains a world shrouded in mystery and wonder. Named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, Venus might seem alluring from afar, but it harbors a world of extreme conditions and intriguing secrets. Its surface is veiled by thick clouds of sulfuric acid, hiding a landscape that is both fascinating and hostile. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the mysteries of this fascinating planet. From its scorching temperatures to its volcanic plains, Venus offers a glimpse into a world vastly different from our own. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and mass. However, the similarities end there, as Venus presents an environment that is anything but Earth-like. However, don't let that fool you. The conditions on Venus are extreme and unforgiving. Venus is a world of stark contrast to our own. Its atmosphere is composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. It's shrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere that traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Surface temperatures can soar up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. With its scorching surface, crushing pressure, and volcanic landscapes, Venus is a planet of extremes. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is about 92 times that of Earth's, equivalent to being 3,000 feet underwater. Venus is a testament to the incredible diversity of worlds in our cosmic neighborhood. Its unique characteristics challenge our understanding of planetary science and offer valuable insights into the dynamics of planetary atmospheres and geology. Venus holds the crown for the hottest planet in our solar system, and it's not even close. This planet, often called Earth's twin, due to its similar size and composition, is anything but a twin when it comes to temperature. Imagine a world where the surface temperature can melt lead. That's Venus. The heat is so intense that it would be like standing next to a blast furnace with temperatures that can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The average temperature on Venus hovers around a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, or 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt many metals. This extreme heat is relentless day and night, as Venus has a very slow rotation. But why is Venus so incredibly hot? What makes it the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun? The answer lies in a phenomenon called the runaway greenhouse effect. This effect has turned Venus into a hellish world, where the heat just keeps building up. Venus's thick atmosphere is composed primarily of carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas. This gas is excellent at trapping heat, and Venus has an abundance of it. This thick blanket of CO2 traps the sun's heat, causing temperatures to soar to unimaginable levels. The heat gets trapped and cannot escape, creating a pressure cooker effect. It's like being stuck inside a giant oven with no escape. The surface pressure on Venus is also crushing, about 92 times that of Earth's, adding to the extreme conditions. Venus is a planet of many peculiarities, and its rotation is no exception. This enigmatic planet has baffled scientists for years with its unusual rotational behavior. Unlike most planets in our solar system, which rotate on their axis in a counterclockwise direction, Venus spins clockwise. This retrograde rotation is a rare phenomenon and makes Venus stand out among its planetary neighbors. This means that on Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Imagine living on a planet where the sun behaves in such an unexpected way, but that's not all. Venus rotates incredibly slowly, even for a retrograde rotator. Its sluggish spin is one of the slowest in the solar system. In fact, a day on Venus, the time it takes to complete one rotation, is longer than a Venusian year, the time it takes to orbit the sun. This means that a single day on Venus stretches out over an incredibly long period. A day on Venus lasts a whopping 243 Earth days, making it the longest day of any planet in our solar system. While a year on Venus is only 225 Earth days long, this creates a fascinating scenario where a day on Venus is longer than its year. Talk about a long day. The extreme length of Venusian days and its retrograde rotation continue to intrigue astronomers and scientists, prompting further study and exploration. Venus's atmosphere is a force to be reckoned with. It's about 90 times denser than Earth's atmosphere, which means the air on Venus is so thick it would feel like trying to move through water. But it's not just the density that's alarming, it's the composition. Venus's atmosphere is primarily composed of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid swirling above the surface. This toxic cocktail creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and turning Venus into a scorching inferno. The thick clouds of sulfuric acid also reflect sunlight back into space, giving Venus its high albedo and making it the brightest planet in our night sky.